Somebody help him with his feet. Not bad. Yeah. Come on now, we're gonna have the exact time it takes you to do it because I got the video running. Under 2 minutes and chicks get naked over 2 minutes. Clothes start going back on. Pull yourself up.
I don't know what's up with foot.
Help him put his foot in this thing. There you go, right there.
I'm telling you, dude, spread your legs and use the wall.
There you go. Look at that. Fuck yeah.
Dibs on that.
You're in the hole.
So you walk with how it's done.
There's a hole above your right foot.
I'm not using that. I'm fucking climbing the other one straight up that bitch.
Oh, you're hard, you're straight on one of
That's what I did last time. I just grabbed that motherfucker and climbed up the damn wall. Oh, he's got 3, 2, 1.